presentation, Srinivas, since you've already had the discussion with Varaganari, why don't we start with Niklesh?
I can start. I am okay with starting going first. Okay, let's. I'll go first. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, others
Okay.
can mute till then.
yeah, fine. If there's noise,
Yeah. So good morning, gentlemen. I perceived one character from the image. She is of the age of 37 years old, and she is in a positive mood. Ravi is son of Reshma, who works as a laborer in a building project. So Ravi has seen her mother working very hard to provide for his education. Seeing this, Ravi got motivated and always focused on his study. This led to him becoming very good student in his school and now in college as well. So Ravi in his college develops a project which helps blind people navigate. This project is noticed by a tech giant, and this leads to him getting a good job, good and high-paying job. Ravi, upon receiving the first salary, gives all the full salary to his mother and thanks her for constant support. Both are happy to have achieved their goals. Thank you.
Acharya Saab.
From the picture, I perceived one woman of age around 60 to 70-year-old and is in positive mood. Sheila, who has a tea stall nearby the road corner, used to provide breakfast and tea to all the children going to school and also to the professionals who goes to the work. One day, it was raining very heavily, and the children were on their way to school. So for that, Sheila provided them the shelter so that they can be safe from the rain and wait till the rain gets over. Till then, Sheila provided them with their with tea and some snacks. When the rain was over, children were happily went to the school. Thanks.
Okay. Yash 0511.
Okay. In my story, I have perceived two characters. One is a 35-year-old woman who is in positive mood, and second is a 22-year-old Raj who is also in positive mood. The story goes like this. Raj is a 22-year-old young architect who is currently working in a construction site in Nagpur. One day, he sees that a little kid is playing near the construction site and accidentally steps on a live wire, and he passes out. So Raj rushed to that little kid and told the co-workers to call for an ambulance, and he gave that kid a CPR, and he resuscitated that kid. And the kid was transferred to the hospital as soon as possible. Raj also instructed all the workers to insulate the wires properly and take proper safety measures, and also to not allow the kids near the construction site. He also told that if there is no place for their kids to stay, then he will pay for their playhouse fees.
Shubham, would you like to go ahead?
According to what I perceived, I saw a woman, a girl whose name is Rathi. She is 25 years old, and she is living in a village which is in Assam. So her village gets flooded every year. So this year she gives a plan to the Jila Panchayat, and according to her plan, she tells that embankment should be built across the river which is flowing near her village. Also, channelizing the river should be done. The people of her village agreed to her decision, and they started constructing the embankment, also channelizing the river, and her decision gives fruitful result. And this year, the flood was and this year the flood was controlled to a certain extent. And in the panchayat meeting, she was praised the people.
Sajan Saab.
So friends, in the shown picture, I have seen only one character who is in positive mood, male and age 24. And the action of the story is the preparation of athletic meet. So Puneet studies in DAV College Jalandhar. Athletic meet is going to held in college in 1 month. So he want to perform well in the athletic meets. So he started running in the morning and the evening to increase his stamina. and started eating healthy food. And after that, he approached a coach to learn some tricks about the breathing in the race. And also, he learned to use the starter to give that will give him a quick start in the race. So also he avoided the junk food so that he will not get any extra fat that will harm his performance. So in the athletic meet, he performed well in the race and got second prize in the race. Thank you.
All right. सब लोग खत्म हो गया, अब मैं बचा हूँ. So I'll go ahead. So in the picture, I perceive one character, one female, age around 23, and she's in a neutral mood. The title of my story is Identifying the Talent. So according to my story, the narration goes as follows. Saloni is a construction worker in a small village near Delhi. So she used to go around doing her work continuously and earn a meager living for her poor family. Once while returning from her work, she was going through a school playground where she saw some students playing shot put. Their instructor was teaching them how to play shot put. So Saloni, just casually, while returning the shot put thrown near her, she threw it very strongly and very skillfully. The instructor was very inspired and motivated to see a construction worker playing so well, and she invited her to join her training program and connected her with the district office, and thus Saloni was able to compete in district and national games further, and making her name in the national games as well as making her her village proud. I think we can go ahead with the discussion.
Should we set a timer like 10 minute का लगा देते हैं?
Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah.
Okay.
So stories, everybody's stories were quite good. Most of us identified one female in this picture, correct? And
Yes.
it was mostly about construction worker or somebody who's doing labor work, correct?
Yeah.
We
Yes,
all
yes.
agree on
There
that.
was a female who was lifting.
On the story is like that
So-
there is a worker who is doing some work, and we can add on to the story that how like her work or maybe what
So
she
we
did.
all can agree upon the one character who is a female
Yes, we can agree on
and
the one character.
doing some
Female,
construction
yeah.
work.
Yes, let's say she is a 35-year-old female and she is working on a construction site. She's picking up bricks. That's what we can
Let's
perceive from the
let's
picture.
say
That
we
is
can
what-
add that
Let's
she
make
is
a
an architect.
hero.
She's an architect.
No, architect
Why
won't
would
be
an
Architect won't be
architect-
picking bricks by himself, right? So
Right.
Architect
I think
is
we
a
should-
22-year-old
I
guy named, let's say,
working
Raj,
on a
for
construction
example.
site, and
So
he does something so
since
that
it
her
is a
life
construction
improves.
site
That
and
can-
there
that
is
can
an
be said
I
as a
think-
the story. And
yeah.
then we
He
can
is
add
So
a
I think we
laborer,
should show
right?
the good-heartedness of the character we show. I think we should say that the outline of the story should be the lady earned some money, and then on the way back she saw some kids who were hungry, so she actually bought them food and something like that. Along these lines, that could be the action of our story, and then we can make up the whole story. Does everyone agree with this?
Actually,
think
she
we
is a
can-
laborer, so it seems very unlikely that would something like that
That
could
she
happen.
earns
She
that
is
good
already
money that she
earning
can
very
help
less.
others.
She is a daily
Yes.
wager, so she herself.
So that
doesn't
is
have
what I'm
to-
trying to
Actually, the
highlight with
spirit
this
of
idea
Nitesh's
that
story, the spirit of Nitesh's story
Yeah.
is really positive. It's really in good spirit. So I would
Yes,
definitely
but
like to
that means
go with this
in-
story. This seems
yeah. So in the times of dire need, people come together and are willing to look upon look and care about the other people as well.
ones that require help.
Yeah. So
The
we
hungry
can say
ones.
that
So let's say the
yeah.
woman is going home and she sees hungry kids, so she can feed her
Yeah.
once. But I think that woman could help those little kids more if she did something more for them.
okay. What if
example,
candidates?
okay,
What
so
if
we
taking
can-
them to a
gentlemen?
taking them
What if
to
we
a-
change this situation instead of hungry kids? Why don't we take a sick neighbor? Maybe she can help them out at least in that
yeah, we
one
can
period.
yes, we can
It can
take
be
that.
impressive.
Okay, okay.
We say
Seems
that
more like
yeah.
We
Yeah.
can
okay. So the neighbor was
It
sick.
shows the
Okay.
community.
The
yes,
neighbor was sick
shows the
and
spirit.
needed some
some medicines and
needed some
help.
medicine. Yes, she
And
the
in,
neighbor needed medical help, and
so yeah, so what
she
we can do is,
helped.
after a full day of tiring work, working 8 hours at a construction site, it is a laborious task, and it obviously makes her tired. She's quite old, 35 years of age. So after, upon reaching home, she finds out that her neighbor is quite sick and is in dire need to be taken to a hospital, so that she can be checked out by a doctor. So there is no one in her family, in her neighbor's family, to take her to a doctor. So she immediately calls an ambulance, or maybe to so that
She
calls
can't
an
afford an ambulance, so I think she should
yeah,
rather
so that
call for an auto.
So,
So
so
yeah,
if the
she
neighbor
takes
is
an
sick, then
auto.
she can
She
take care
helps
of her maybe
the neighbor
5
to
people on
get
a
on
night.
that auto,
So
and she
till
immediately
the doctor
takes that
comes, she
neighbor
take
to the
care of her
nearest doctor.
and she
Yeah,
calls the doctor.
I'm agree with him that she can take a help of any neighbor to take him to the hospital. So as
Yes.
yeah,
it was not good for laborer that she will call an ambulance. She is not
yeah, yeah,
that
One
That
much.
is true.
important
exactly, I agree
addition
with
could
that.
also be that maybe she doesn't have enough savings for to help him out, so she takes contribution. Ask her son or
Yes,
daughter to contribute from
upon
neighborhood
yeah.
to make up for
So
the
upon
fees.
reaching the hospital, she realizes that the person, her neighbor, would need a small surgery which would cost in somewhere around 10,000 rupees. So she incites a spirit of community in the colony, and is able to generate funds for like collect
His treatment.
she
But
yeah,
let's
treatment
say
by
she
encouraging
wants to
everyone to donate.
help that neighbor, and all of them come from a really poor background. So she
Yeah,
takes that neighbor to a government hospital and notes him under. I mean, rolls him under the Ayushman Bharat scheme, where he gets all the required surgery or medical treatment for almost free
so this would
under that scheme.
actually kill the spirit of the story. So we can put it in
She
the
has
end that
actually
she actually
helped that
advised, yeah,
because
after collecting the
yes, the
money and
neighbor did
helping
not have
helping
anyone. She helped the neighbor, right? She
yeah.
could do everything she could, and using the scheme provided by the government would be the best option they can do right now.
So
And she
apart
did
from
take help of.
providing her the help, she can also call someone who her neighbor knows, so that that person can also take care of the relatives. So she
Yes,
should, like, after
so
going to
after
hospital, she
rolling
should
No,
look
but
into the
first priority
doctor
here
or
is
not.
to
after admitting the neighbor into the hospital, she would, of course, try to contact her family, that neighbor's family, and
first
she would
priority
tell
is to
everything
helping
to
the neighbor
them.
out.
At the same time, she'll also contact the other neighbors and tell them this is the situation, and if I'm unavailable and the neighbor's family is unavailable, then please take care of them. That's what
I
she
think,
could do
yeah, we
right
can
now.
put down the story in this point that she's a
Yeah,
construction worker.
so
She goes, reaches home, finds that her neighbor is sick, then takes the neighbor to the hospital, admit him in the hospital, arrange for the doctor, and also call the relatives to take care of her. So she will be there until the neighbor's relative arrives. I
Yes.
think,
And with the
so
help of neighbors,
I
she purchased medicines and all that is needed because medicines
yeah,
are
till
not
the
free.
relatives arrive, till the
Ayushman
relatives arrive, she will, with the help of her son or neighbor, will provide all the facilities, all the medicines, and other charges.
fruits and
Yes,
what is needed.
they take care of, they take the advantage of that scheme run by the government.
Okay, fine.
Ayushman Bharat.
So I think we have reached a conclusion, right? We have all come on the
yeah,
same
so
ground.
Yes.
yeah,
Almost.
Shubham, do you want
yeah.
to put in any points, Sajan?
Actually,
No, it's
guys,
okay.
I'll have to leave. My phone's battery is dying, so I'm sorry. I'll have to leave right now.
Okay, sure,
So
Nitesh. Thanks for
yeah,
joining
you
in.
guys can continue. Okay,
Yeah,
thank you. Bye.
see you next time. Shubham, Sajan.
No, I'm quite comfortable with that story.
Okay. All right. So that took us 7 minutes to formulate a story based on. I just need this picture for the
You
record.
can decide the action.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, it's fine. So
Action
means
should be
helping the
Helping the neighbor.
neighbors.
helping the sick
Helping the
neighbor.
Helping the
neighbor.
neighbors.
It can be helping the neighbors. That's it. Correct. So this was the image that we have been working out on. All right, so I just wanted this for the recording and stuff. That's it. So okay, I think this was a good one. Correct? Done.
Yes. Okay. All right.
But less of a
Just
mess.
the recording, right? Afterwards.
Yeah. Should I keep recording the feedbacks if you are having anything? I think this was good enough. We can check ourselves.
We'll check ourselves and see any gaps via the recording. I think
Yeah.
it went quite decent.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
All right then. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you guys.
Okay.
Bye.
Thanks for
Okay,
joining in,
thank you,
everybody.
guys.
See you next time.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you everyone.
Yeah.
Good night.
Good night.